Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. Today our topic is Sravana Kumara. It is in the Tillikannada textbook for class 5. Here in this video we are going to explain the question and answers in English. So it will be easy for all of you to understand. So let's start. Padagala Artha Bareiri. Padagala means word, Artha means meaning, Bareiri means write. So write the word meaning. So the first word is Anartha. Anartha means Kedu. In English the meaning is misfortune. Second one, Kavadi. Kavadi means Adde. Adde means side. Third word, Kutira. Kutira means Gudisalu. In English the meaning is cottage. Next word, Gavari. Gavari means ಹೆದರಿಕೆ. In English, the meaning is panic. Next one, ದಾಪುಗಾಲು. ದಾಪುಗಾಲು means ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. That means big step. Next one, ಮಡು. ಮಡು means ನದಿ. In English, the meaning is river. Next one, ರೋಧಿಸು. ರೋಧಿಸು means ಅಳು. And in English, the meaning is resist. Next word, ವೇದಿ. ವೇದಿ means ತಿಳಿದವನು. In English, the meaning is one who knows. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಒಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence, and ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So write the answer in one sentence. So the first question is, ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Means Shravanakumar's father's name is what? ತಂದೆ means father, ಹೆಸರು means his name, ಏನು means what? So what is the name of Shravanakumar's father? So the answer is Shravanakumarana ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು means Shravanakumar's father's name is Tandava Rishi. So in place of ಏನು we have to write Tandava Rishi. Second question. ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಡಪಡಿಸಿದರು? Means what did Shravanakumar parents, ತಂದೆ means father, ತಾಯಿ means mother, ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ means old age, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ means what? ಚಡಪಡಿಸಿದರು means wish. So what did Shravanakumar's parents wish at their old age? So the answer is ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ತೀರ್ಥಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಚಡಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ್ಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, when they want to go to the holy places, and ತೀರ್ಥಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, when they want to take holy dip, ಎಂದು ಚಡಪಡಿಸಿದರು means they wish. So in the old days Shravanakumar parents wish to go to the holy places and take holy dip. Next question is ದಶರಥನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿದನು? means where did Dasharatha reside? So the answer is ದಶರಥನು ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿದನು means Dasharatha reside in Ayodhya city. Next question. ದಶರಥನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ಬಳಿ ಏನೆಂದು ಗೊಗೆರೆದನು? means where did Dasharatha ask Shravanakumar? So the answer is ದಶರಥನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ಬಳಿ ತನ್ನು ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಿ ಬಾಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವುದಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಗೊಗರೆದನು. means Dasharatha told Shravanakumara. ಗೊಗರೆದನು means told Shravanakumara that ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಿ, that he thought ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ means wild animal, ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಿ means he thought. Then what he did? ಬಾಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವುದಾಗಿ means he left the arrow. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು please forgive me for ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು means for my mistake. ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು means mistake. So the answer is Dasharatha told Shravanakumara that he thought wild animal is approaching, so he left the arrow. Please forgive me for my mistake. Next question. ದಶರಥನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ಏನೆಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡಿದನು? means What did Dasaratha promise to Sravanakumara? Bharavase means promise, ನೀಡಿದನು means did. So the answer is ದಶರಥನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡಿದನು means Dasharatha promised Ravanakumara that his ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ means his parents ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು means his wish parents wish ಪೂರೈಸುವುದಾಗಿ means he will fulfill his father and mother's wish. So Dasaratha promised Ravanakumara that he would fulfill his father and mother's wish. ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು means ಯಾರು means who, ಯಾರಿಗೆ means to whom, ಹೇಳಿದರು means told. So who told to whom? So the first sentence is ಮಗು ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಾರು ನೀರಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡು. ಮಗು means child. ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ means nearby. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ means is there. ನೀರಿದೆಯಾ means water. So child, is there any water nearby? ನೋಡು means look. So who said this to whom? ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ತಾಂಡವ ಋಷಿ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು means ತಾಂಡವ ಋಷಿ told this to ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ. Next one, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನು ಸತ್ತೆ, ಓ ಮದರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನನ್ನು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡನು means ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ said this to himself. ನನ್ನ ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನಾರು ಗತಿ means who is there for my old father and mother. ನನ್ನ ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ means ನನ್ನ means my, ಮುಪ್ಪಿನ means old, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ means father and mother, ಇನ್ನಾರು ಗತಿ means who is there for my old father and mother. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ದಶರಥನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು means ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ told this sentence to ದಶರಥ. Next question, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿರಿ, fill in the blanks. So the first one is ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದರು means ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ್'s parents were dash. ಕುರುದರು means blind. Next one, ದಶರಥನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಿತನಾಗಿದ್ದನು means Dasharatha was expert in which art? So Sabdavedi means in sound art he was very expert. ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನು ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದನು means Shravankumara took his parents on a dash. The answer is ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ means pilgrimage. Next one, ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದನು means Shravankumara carried his parents on a dash to holy places. So the answer is ಹೆಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊತ್ತು means shoulders. Next question, ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, write your own sentence. So the first word is ಅಭಿಮಾನ. ಅಭಿಮಾನ is proud. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ means for our country ನಮಗೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇರಬೇಕು means we should. So we should be proud for our country. Next word is ಚಡಪಡಿಸು. ಚಡಪಡಿಸು means upset. So the sentence is ಜನರು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು people for their valuable things ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ means if they lose ಚಡಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ means they are getting upset. People get upset when they lose something valuable. Next question, ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ means opposite, ಪದಗಳು means word. So the first one is samadhana. Samadhana means satisfaction and the opposite word is asamadhana, dissatisfaction. Next one is ase. Ase means desire and the opposite one is nirase. Nirase means disappointment. Third one, sabda. Sabda means sound and the opposite is nisabda. Nisabda means quiet. Next one, anartha. Anartha means misfortune and the opposite word is artha. Artha means meaning. Next one, punya. Punya opposite papa. Next one, tappu. Tappu means wrong and opposite word is sari. Sari means okay. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದಗಳು means following words. ಬಿಡಿಸಿ means unscramble, ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means write. So unscramble the following words and write them down. The first one is ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು. So it is ಆಸೆ plus ಅನ್ನು. Next one, ಆಯಾಸ ಬರಿತು. It is Ayasa plus Aritu. Next one. Karedo Yadanu means Karedu plus Udanu. Next one. Dapu Galu. Dapu plus Kalu. So this is all about the question and answer of this chapter Sravana Kumara. If you feel this video is useful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.